Hi friends, good morning. How are you? In the last class, I explained about the separating funnel. Am I right? Two immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnel. Today I am going to explain about the sublimation. What is sublimation? You have already learned what is sublimation. Can you tell me the answer? Yes or no? Okay, sublimation is the method by which the solid particles can be directly changed into its vapor form without changing into its liquid form. So, how can we separate a mixture of sand and ammonium chloride? So, this is the question about separation. How can we separate it? Can you tell me the method? So, what is the procedure? So, we can see that this is the separating method. In this, take the mixture of ammonium chloride and sand in the china dish and cover it with a funnel. See, this is the funnel, and on the top of the funnel you have to keep some cotton in order to cover it. And when we heat this mixture, the ammonium chloride directly changes into its vapor form and may stick on this walls of the funnel. Okay, correct or not? Then the sand remains in the china dish itself. Is it clear or not? I'll explain once again. Take the mixture of ammonium chloride and sand in a china dish. This is the china dish. Can you see this one? Then, and it is covered with the inverted funnel. And on the top of the funnel, we have to close it with some cotton. And when we heat it, the ammonium chloride directly changes its vapors, and these vapors can be stick on these walls, and the sand remains in the china dish itself. So we can separate both the components easily. Is it clear or not? So this is the method by which we can use in the separation of ammonium chloride and the sand. Okay, the next method is centrifugation. Centrifugation. It is the method used to separate the mixture of components with difference in their mass or mass of the particles. You know that lighter particles and heavier particles. Such a type of mixtures can be separated by using centrifugation. The method is called centrifugation and the instrument is called centrifuge. Is it clear? See this one. This is the centrifuge. So the machine centrifuge. In this one, on opposite side, two part with in the opposite side, and in this part we can keep the test tube. So take that mixture in the test tube and keep it on the one side, and you can take in another test tube any water or any other substance in order to balance it. Is it clear or not? In order to balance it, we have to make them into rotate it. Then only we will get the mixture into separate. So while rotating, so this is the method of rotating, and when we use this one, we can rotate this mixture, and while rotating the difference in their mass, the lighter particles, after rotation we can see that the lighter particles on the top and the heavier particles on the bottom, and then we can separate this type of mixtures using this centrifuge, and this method is called centrifugation. This method is used in the lab. You might have seen that one laboratory in order to separate the blood cells from the blood, and also while doing the experiments, the separation of precipitate in the experiments also we can use, and another usage is in order to separate butter from curd. Is it clear or not? So the method is called centrifugation and the instrument is known as centrifuge.